Just over a month ago, the Mental Health Crisis Hotline took on a new number, 988. Staff at crisis call centers say they've seen a big increase in calls, and even new callers are seeking help. 5 on Your Side's Laura Barczewski explains how the program is growing and the new features they're looking to add.
In the first month of the new mental health crisis line 988, call centers received more than 5,000 calls. That's roughly 1,000 more than their typical call volume. Lauren Moyer with Compass Health says part of that is because it's an easier number to remember.
Everything that we would normally do on a daily basis, like keeping appointments or knowing what day and what time it is, that kind of goes out the window in the moment of a crisis.
With 988, they're also reducing the number of mental health related incidents that law enforcement needs to respond to.
Only 2% of the calls we're still involving law enforcement. And so I do feel like that might be able to even decrease less than 2% as we start to build up our mobile crisis response and our mobile crisis staffing.
Moyer says about 90% of the calls can be resolved over the phone, but there's another 10% that need more. That's where 10 behavioral health crisis centers come in. 8 more will be in place later this year.
That is an alternative to jail, an alternative to the hospital setting. That's where these behavioral health crisis centers come in. And so that actually has been an increased usage.
She says they're also working on a new program. Here in the city of St. Louis and in Gasconade County, the 988 call centers will actually be connected to 911 dispatch centers so that if someone calls 911 and the mental health professionals can better handle the issue, the call can be redirected right over to 988.
We're going to be able to educate the rest of the Missouri 911 Advisory Board, as well as some of those other 911 dispatching offices that are wanting this.
Reporting in St. Louis, Laura Barczewski, 5 on Your Side.
You can call 988 at any time if you or someone you know is struggling. First Lady Jill Biden has been isolating